When we're doing a boring operation with FeatureCAM, normally we would want to relieve the material before we do the actual boring. If I take a look here and I run a centerline simulation of this boring operation, you'll see that the cutter is approaching more or less along the center line, and unless we'd actually drilled this out beforehand, this holder is going to be smacking into the material, and it's not going to be very good at all. Equally, if we had pre-drilled this, it may be that the first 2 or 3 passes here would actually not be cutting anything, so we would be wasting time. In previous versions of FeatureCAM we could have got around this by setting a minimum radius boundary, but the latest version of FeatureCAM, the version 15, we actually have the ability now within the strategy tab here to say that we want to do a pre-drilling operation, and we can specify the size of the drill we're going to drill with, and then FeatureCAM will automatically set the minimum radius boundary for us, like so. So you would see now that we drill, and then the boring tool is only going to rough and finish the remaining material. If I show that in a three-dimensional view, you'll probably see it more clearly. So we have our drilling, which has taken out the main part of the bore, and we then rough and finish the remainder of the bore with our boring tool.